Where'd you get all those lemons from?
Life gave them to me.
Well, you know what to do when life gives you lemons?
Make lemonade.
Wrong! Make lemon cake or lemon cupcakes.
It tastes like sunshine.
See, things aren't so bad. My motto has always been, when life hands you lemons, make lemon cake. Not really, but I love this recipe. It's delicious, quick, and just as easy as using a box mix. Plus, it's versatile. You can make coffee cake, loaves, or cupcakes with an endless variety of options for icing and decorations. Check out my website for the recipe and tips for fun variations like strawberry lemonade and blueberry lemonade cupcakes using my Fond Originals jam. Combine 1/2 cup whole plain yogurt, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 cup sugar, 3 large room temperature eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 packed tablespoon of fresh lemon zest on low for about 10 seconds, then mix on medium for about 30 seconds. Add in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. If you want to make cupcakes, add 1 tablespoon baking powder. I am making a coffee cake, so I'm sticking with the 2 teaspoons. Pour into a pan sprayed with pan baking spray and bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until the top is rounded and no longer jiggles. Remove the cake from the oven as soon as it's done and let it rest on the counter for 5 to 10 minutes while you prepare some lemon syrup. To make the syrup, bring 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of salt to a quick boil in a small pot on the stove. As soon as it starts to bubble and rise up, remove it from the heat and swirl it around a few times. With a toothpick or skewer, poke holes all over the surface of your cake, then pour your hot lemon syrup evenly over the top. Leave the cake in the pan for 15 to 20 more minutes, then flip it out onto a cooling rack or a serving platter and allow it to cool. Finally, you can leave it as is, but it's awfully delicious with a lemon glaze. To make this, simply mix 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice with 1 cup powdered sugar and a pinch of fresh lemon zest. Combine until it turns smooth, then spoon it evenly over the top of your cake. Enjoy any time of the day with a cup of tea or coffee. This cake is especially amazing for breakfast and brunch. Simple, elegant, and no one has to know how easy it was.